Here are 8 things that you should be looking for when you go to an open house. Let's get to it. So at the open house, walk through, take your time, check out the layout, make sure it's the right fit first. Then walk through it again. Pay attention to the ceilings. If there's a little anomaly or a stain, make sure you ask the agent about that. When you're looking in the closets or the attic or the basement, make sure that you look in the corners or along the edges of the floor. What you're looking for are something that looks like a little black grain of rice. That is mouse-proof. While you're in the basement, you want to look around for dampness, but you also want to look around for cracks in the foundation. Poured cement nearly always has cracks, especially in New England with the fluctuation of the temperatures. However, if it's more than the width of your pinky, that might be a problem. Another thing to look for as you're walking through the house are the windows. If it looks like they're foggy, that means the seal between the 2 panes has been broken. It's still usable, but you may want to replace it at some point. And last but not least is the landscaping. Make sure there are no big trees where the limbs are hanging over the roof. That'll compromise the lifespan of your roof. The other thing is to make sure that the shrubs aren't too close to your house. That could encourage mold, mildew, and also critters. So that's all I have for this video. Have fun at those open houses.